All right, so before we start writing our arguments, I want to review some of the important scientific ideas and words we've learned throughout this unit. You can use these scientific ideas and words when you make your argument. All right, so our chapter one question in chapter one stated, how small are the microorganisms that live on and in the human body? We found out that they're very, very small. Some of them are only made up of one cell, such as bacteria. We also had a series of 4 key concepts in chapter one. Our first key concept states, many organisms are microscopic, so small that they cannot be seen with the naked eye. Our second key concept states, all living things are made of cells. Our third key concept states, almost all cells are microscopic. In other words, they're too small to be seen with the naked eye. We would need a microscope to be able to see them. And then finally, key concept number 4 for chapter 1 stated, even though they are both too small to see, cells are much bigger than molecules. If you need to pause this video to read through those again, feel free to go ahead and do that. In chapter 2, we had our chapter 2 question, and we had a series of 6 key concepts. So our chapter 2 question states, how can fecal transplants cure patients infected with harmful bacteria? So we're still in the process of answering that chapter 2 question. Our key concept, starting with key concept number 5, states, the human microbiome contains approximately 100 trillion microorganisms. Most of these are bacteria. Number 6 states, the human body provides an environment, food, and space for bacteria to survive. Key concept number 7 states, a healthy microbiome has various helpful types of bacteria. Key concept number 8 states, an infection of harmful bacteria in the human microbiome can make a person sick. Key concept number 9 states, antibiotics reduce the number of helpful and harmful bacteria in the microbiome. And then key concept number 10 states, living things with fewer than normal helpful bacteria in their guts can become infected more easily because there is more food and space available for harmful bacteria. Once again, if you need to read through those again, feel free to pause the video. And then we have our vocabulary. So we have a series of 11 vocab words that we've learned so far in this chapter. Feel free to pause this video and look at the vocabulary words that you can use in your scientific argument. Keep in mind that you always need to use high quality evidence and scientific concepts in your arguments. So those key concepts that we just saw a few slides ago and our scientific vocabulary, the more that you use these scientific concepts and scientific vocabulary, the stronger and more credible your argument will be, okay? So make sure that you're bringing in that high quality evidence, those key concepts, and that scientific vocabulary to make yourself seem more believable and make your scientific argument stronger.